Let's do another example, finding the vertex and x-intercepts for a quadratic function. Here we have the quadratic function f of x equals x squared minus x minus 6. We can find the vertex either by completing the square or using the vertex formula. Let's use the vertex formula. Recall the vertex formula says the vertex for a quadratic function in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is negative b over 2a, comma, f of negative b over 2a. So all we need to do is identify the a and the b, and we will have the vertex. The a for this quadratic function is 1, the b is negative 1. So we will have negative 1 over 2 times 1. So this is 1/2. And we'll evaluate the function at 1/2 to find the y value for the vertex. All right, let's do that. So f of 1/2 is going to be 1/2 squared minus 1/2 minus 6. 1/2 squared is 1/4. Minus 1/2 minus 6. And then we can write everything in terms of fourths. So 1/4, 1/2 is 2/4, and 6 happens to be 24 fourths. So we have 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 24 would be minus 25 fourths. So the vertex for this quadratic function is 1/2 comma negative 25 over 4. All right, now the second part, we want to find the x-intercepts. To find the x-intercepts, we set the function, quadratic function, equal to 0. So we have 0 equals x squared minus x minus 6. And we can solve this however we like. We can use the quadratic formula. We can factor it. I believe this factors. So we have x and minus 3 and plus 2. So we have x equals 3, x equals negative 2. That means our x-intercepts are going to be 3, 0, and negative 2, 0.